So, how do you fix a loose tap? The tap on this one is okay. We're 6 months on from a repair that's still working really well with the cartridge. But here the tap itself has detached. So instead of this spinning here and the tap spinning around, the whole works are spinning around. If you look at the bottom here, it's actually moving around and it's totally come loose. So we need to go down underneath and find out what needs to be tightened in order to fix that up. So here we go. We are down underneath the sink, and back under here is where the tap is. You can see all of the hoses and fittings coming in, and see how loose that is and how it's flopping around. What we need to do is tighten up that bolt there, so we need to get just a spanner to tighten him up, and that is going to do the job, I reckon, because it's very loose. It's just come loose over time. So I'll grab a spanner and tighten that up. We'll put the tap in the position we want it first, and then tighten it up and see how that goes. Okay, so what we need to do is do up that nut. I've got the tap in the position that I want it, so then it's just a matter of doing up that nut. This guy here, 10 was too small, so I'm using an 11. And I'm dropping the spanner almost on my head. If you can't get a socket onto this, although I can actually put a ring spanner on it. Let's see how we go with that. No. So the smaller the tool is going to be, the better up here. But you just need to tighten that up. That's coming nicely now. The spanner I'm using really is a bit too long. I can't get it in for the back wall. Up nice and tight now. So with these spanners you can hold them this way and then turn them over, and you'll get a little bit further when you're in a tight position. That's what the whole offset head is about. So you can start it off that way and then turn around. See if we can get around to the next section there. There we go. There. So you can see the nut that I'm getting onto, and that is to be that my spanner is a little bit too long and it hits the back wall, but that's probably tight enough. We'll go upstairs and have a look. So here we go, we're back up top, and I've tightened the handle up so that this is in the front. That's fully around to cold, and that's around to hot, and this is now moving rather than the whole tap moving. And that's as it should be. So it's got a full range of movement. And we've got cold over here where it's always been, and hot straightforward. And you can adjust that around. You can loosen it off a bit and adjust that however you want. That's where you actually make that change as to where the temperature is. But that's where it's been, so that'll be most familiar to us. So there you go, all fixed. No longer flopping all over the place and ready for service again.